Hey everyone, my name's Katie, and in this video, we're going to go over our tax prep in review chat message. The first thing you're going to want to do is click Get for Free. Then you're going to want to go to your firm templates to the chat section, and you're going to want to open that chat to review what is included. So first, you're going to have your template name. This is not going to be seen by the client, so you can name it whatever you would like. Then you're going to have your from person, so you can choose yourself or any of your team members. Your thread assignee is going to be who all of the responses go to, and that will be the person who will continue responding to the thread. You then have your subject, which the client does see, and then you'll have the content of your message, which again, the client will see. You can change any of this to meet your needs. And then once you have done that, you can go ahead and click Save and Exit. And we'll have updated your template for you. Normally, this will be part of your pipeline, but we're going to show you how to send it just as a one-time message by going to New, Chat, selecting your account that you want to send it to, choosing the correct template, and then now you're going to see your subject and the contents of the message. If you did not set reminders as part of your template, you're able to set reminders here. And then you can go ahead and click Create Chat. If you want to send it to a group of people or all of your contacts, you're able to go to Clients, which is going to pull up your accounts page. You can click the checkbox here at the top, or you can go ahead and just select not random clients, the clients that you need to select. And then you can go to More Actions and then Send Message. This is going to show you the names, or if you've selected many names, it will show you how many at the top. And then you can go ahead and select the template you need, and it will show you your subject and again, the content of the message, and you're able to set your reminders if necessary. And then you can go ahead and click Create Chat, and it will send it to each person individually. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us in the community or to our success team at success@taxdome.com. Thank you and have a great day.